Hello friends, today we are going to talk about the new circular of CAG about revenue audit, incentive examination and CPD examinations. As we all know that currently 6 chances are admissible for revenue audit, incentive examinations and CPD examinations. Now, due to this COVID-19 situation, what has happened is that the service associations, the federations and the field offices as well, they have requested to CAG to give some more additional chances to the candidates, and ultimately CAG has decided to give 2 additional chances for revenue audit examination, incentive examination and CPD 1 and 2 examinations. Now, these 2 chances should be availed within next 4 examinations. That means 2 examinations of 2021 and 2 examinations of 2022. Now, if we talk about the circular, few things which are confusing our people is first is the existing candidate, which means any candidate who has been at least once registered for revenue audit, incentive examination or CPD examination. So obviously one who has been registered for 6 times, who has appeared in the examination 6 times and still have 1 or 2 papers to clear, they are the existing candidates who have exhausted their 6 attempts, and they will be provided 2 more attempts within next 4 examinations. Now, one more thing that is confusing the people is whether these provisions are only for the candidates who have exhausted their 6th attempt in the last examination held in December 2020, or whether it will be applicable for those candidates also who have exhausted their 6 chances before the last examination. So, since there is nothing mentioned in the circular, so unless some new clarification is issued by the headquarters, it should be understood that all candidates who have exhausted their 6 chances, whether in the last exam or before that, should be benefited with these provisions. So, we should expect that all the candidates who have exhausted their 6 chances, doesn't matter when, they are going to get 2 additional chances in next 4 examinations. So that is it about the circular. Hope you find it helpful. Thank you. Jai Hind.